Does law of attraction work? Look, the law of attraction does not work for 95% of individuals, and the reason is because most people don't understand the difference between setting goals, which is an imaginative and rational process, and achieving objectives, which is mainly a habitual and emotional experience. In order to actually trigger the law of attraction, both logical and emotional parts of the brain have to be in tune and in sync, just like a beautiful symphony. Getting into flow. When you have a wish for a particular aspiration or outcome, you are in a specific vibration as you emotionalize that aspiration. However, unless you keep that solid vibration going, it dissipates and loses its strength. Does the law of attraction work? Well, if you do it correctly, yes. Consider your goals and desires as being conscious, using your imagination or making use of your rational thinking. Choosing and choosing what you want becomes part of your conscious brain's accountability. It will emit a tiny little frequency, much like the tiny light in your fridge. But what you really want to have working with you are the trillions of cells in your body that resonate based on your subconscious programming. Your conscious mind is the chooser, but your subconscious brain is the implementer. The power lies in the subconscious. And the reason 95% of folks will never accomplish the favorable outcomes based upon the law of attraction is that they think positively, sure. However, they have subconscious beliefs, routines, and perhaps personal values that are not in line with each other. Let's say you wish to make an extra $70,000, $200,000, or even $1 million bucks or more. Or let's imagine that you want to let go of the excess weight that you don't want on your body. Or let's say that you want to find your soulmate. It's insufficient just to have the concept, desire, or the goal. It's inadequate just to write it down. It's not nearly enough to have a vision board or to speak about it. What you have to understand is you need to get the conscious brain and the subconscious mind to line up in harmony with one another to create coexistence, and you need to enthuse it repeatedly again into the psychological subconsciousness mind so coherence is created between the two parts of your brain. Visualize it. Visualize hearing an orchestra whose musical instruments are not in harmony with each other. There would be a lot of noise stemming from the instruments, but it probably would not sound great. What I want you to understand is that you need to create an inner symphony between the conscious brain and the subconscious brain, between your vision, goals, ideas, and your habits. You have to emotionalize the desire and target and impress it into your subconscious brain as you take inspired action towards what you want to accomplish. This way you have every component of your physical body, mind, and soul working in the direction of the fulfillment of your goals. This is when and how the law of attraction works as well as it can for you. The last few letters of attraction are action. You have to determine all the various methods that you can shift towards what you want to accomplish, as the universal law does what it needs to do underneath the surface. You've got to have the correct action in the best order and then apply it at the right time. So if you want the law of attraction to work for you, you need to understand it correctly and work it thoroughly. Get the help you need to identify the accurate actions you should take, in addition to the inner consciousness and suppressed vibration you have to be in. Does the law of attraction work? Does the law of attraction work? Yes, it always works perfectly when you line up every aspect of your mind, body, and responses with it. I want you to delight in all the goal setting that you want. But I also want you, every single day, to begin imagining what you wish to accomplish. I want you to begin using pronouncements the right way, and I want you to begin to meditate and emotionalize the achievement of your objectives so you're in that congruency and frequency of wealth. I also want you to do is to develop a mission statement. A plan with strategies and procedures for how you're getting from where you are to where you want to be. You see, the cosmos will do the majority of the work, but it really wants you at work alongside it also. Ready to take action? Click on the link in the description to check out Instant Manifestation Secrets. Take the 30 seconds manifestation reading and reveal your true magical manifestation powers. Find the answers you've been searching for. Please subscribe to this channel for future videos, and thank you for your support.